I'll be talking about Retell Lecture. In this task, I have seen that many students face difficulty while taking notes. So let me do one and make it more easier.
The British press came into existence in the 18th century, a time of great change and progress. Since then, it has played a pivotal role in shaping public opinion and discourse. Freedom of speech, a cornerstone of democratic societies, has been encouraged by British policy from the very beginning. This freedom allowed people to discuss anything and everything in public places, such as coffee houses or on the streets. These public spaces became hubs of intellectual exchange, where newspapers were read and issues of the day were debated. Topics ranged from politics and government policies to military matters, reflecting the diverse interests of the public. This open dialogue is a testament to the freedom enjoyed by the public. But the story doesn't end there. The British press has evolved with time, embracing new technologies and adapting to changing societal norms. Today, it continues to inform, educate, and provoke thought, reaching millions of readers through print and digital platforms. Moreover, the British press plays a crucial role in holding power to account. It scrutinizes government actions, champions the rights of the marginalized, and shines a light on issues that matter. In conclusion, the British press, with its rich history and commitment to freedom of speech, is more than just a news source. It's a symbol of public freedom, a watchdog of democracy, and an integral part of British society. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so now we have 6 seconds to wrap up our answer. So if you see this, I'll just be reading it out this. The lecture was about British policy. Firstly, the speaker talked about the British press came into existence in the 18th century. Secondly, he mentioned British press plays a pivotal role. Moreover, he elaborated on freedom of speech allows people to discuss anything and everything. Furthermore, he expressed topics regarding politics to poetry was also discussed. Towards the end, he talked about open dialogue is a testament to the public. However, he noted on the fact that British policy changes with societal norms, allowing a crucial role in scrutinizing government action. He also mentioned British press has rich history and is a symbol of democracy and public tolerance. Overall, the lecture was very interesting. Now, let's submit our answer and wait for the scores to come up. So, we'll focus this side. Okay. So we see that our content is 90, fluency is 80, and this is the score we have got. So if you realize, if you take adequate notes, you just have to read it out. Make sure that you take note in a way that you can understand your handwriting. I know it's messy, but since I can understand mine, so just write in a way where you don't have to connect the dots. You just need to read it because that will enhance your fluency, as you can see. Thank you. Keep practicing.